You know what you should do when the market is bleeding? Well, so you're recovering at this point. You should put all your money into any meme coin that you're convinced by that does well this cycle. Here's why. I'm Mr. YouTube Man, and I'll explain to you why you should give DogWifHat your money. Simple. They started off with just an image. It's a dog. It's just any dog. It's a dog with a hat, and it's a popular meme that gives you good vibes. Now, as you've seen on the price so far, it launched around like 10 to 15 cents, went down a little, and then we had this whole rally up until like $5 billion in market cap, 4.7, and it's simply a dog with hat. The easier it is to understand the meme, like on a global scale, the higher the potential for this. In this case, the name tells you what it is, and that's all there is to it. Even on the site, dog with hat isn't just a dog with a hat, it's a symbol of progress for futuristic transactions all about, and it just crosses all of that out by itself because it's just a dog with a hat. Does it do anything else? You can have charts, you can join the Telegram or Twitter, and you can buy it. That's it. It's a dog with a hat, that's a dog without a hat. That's it. Sometimes he dresses up, he feels like he's a Fortnite gamer, he is going nice, he is this rapper over here. At other times, he wears Supreme. Wow, it's a dog. You could buy it on pretty much any of the chains, as well as the big exchanges like Binance, Kraken, Bybit, OKX, Gate. And I think this is what the evergreen means, not just for the last year, but for this whole upcoming cycle. I won't be surprised for like a price prediction if this goes to like 10 to 15 billion market cap and the price rally up once Bitcoin hits 100k. And then if Bitcoin hits 150k, this can probably go to like 20 billion market cap and probably surpass Pepe. Reason being, memes outperform the market pretty much all the time, as it's just funny, and that's how it goes. Pepe is not as funny or cute as a dog. Bonk is cuter, Floki is cuter, or cuter, fucking Pepe. Nobody likes Pepe. I don't like Pepe. If you look at this, Pepe is the only thing next to Brad that isn't really, an animal. If you said the dog or cat, because Pepe is a frog, and Brad is, I don't fucking know, might be the cat. But Pepe is the one outlier, probably gets surpassed by DogWifHat fairly soon. Also, here are two more reasons why I'm right. If you look at the entire circulating supply, it is the total supply. There aren't any tokens that are minted, there's nothing else that is happening. The volume to market cap trade in a 24-hour time period is always not 20% and more. This has a whole lot of higher. Plus, it's listed on Binance, but most of the meme coins aren't listed on Binance. Now, they don't even have 100k followers on Twitter, and I think if things like Dogecoin go to like 1 or 2 million followers and have a far higher valuation, and Elon likes Doge, and eventually you will say, well, there's also a dog, I like dogs, let's add that to the whole FX system. Also, the memes are pretty good. Feeling brave might go outside today. That's a solid meta play when it comes to memes. It hits the funny bone right on the head. It's a way to make you smile from one cheek to another. Well, anyways, if you're going to buy this and you actually want to make money with it, keep in mind, we will go back to autumn highs once Bitcoin reaches 72k again. So right now at 58k, if we go up by 10, 15, 20% for the whole market, which will happen guaranteed as it does always, and this is back at a 2.5x sum here. And if we go to 100k, this probably goes like 10 to 15 billion dollars in market cap. So if you want to have a safe 5x, while Bitcoin does a 2x or so, just buy DogWifHat. It's already at 2 billion. There isn't really much risk involved with it. At least when it comes to meme coins, this is a safer play. And honestly, when it comes to coins in general, take any of those, they all go down and have stronger price fluctuations than just meme coins. For example, you take Lido, right? That you used to stake E. Better alone performed worse than most meme coins over the past month. And this one is far more safe and more legit than any of the meme coins. There we go. I did say it. Meme coins are superior. Put your money in there. This is financial advice. And I see you soon when we talk about more coins that I decide to talk about. As a general advice when it comes to crypto, especially meme coins, always take a trading pair or take the contract address and go to a site like Bex Tools or Dex Screener and look up how things perform. You can see real-life data for absolutely everything. Let's say, for example, you want to have a little pump on Solana and you want to look into the different details. You can see the market cap of 1.5 mil on the right-hand side, the liquidity, the performance over the past 24 hours, 6 hours, 1 hour for this 5 minutes, every single transaction down here for how much money people bought this for. This looks like a giant bot, by the way. If 20 seconds ago, everybody bought this for like 1 cent, but whatever. It is additional volume when it comes to this. Maybe it just boosts the token up here. You never know. Most of the time when things are trending, it's probably too late to get in because they have the initial run up and then you're just being exited with a deep, but it's still a good way to look for things. Option number 2 is if you're into things that are launching right now, go on to Pink Sale and then select your chain in the top right, where you can use, you can connect your Phantom for Solana. You can use the one in Smart Chain. There are lots of different coins that are launching every single day. Where you can participate in the pre-sale. You see the current amount of money that is in there, the hard cap, the soft cap, all the details we know. And then once the token is live, you can claim it, it gets deposited into your wallet, and you can start trading, which also can mean that you will most likely use your money, as that is what is happening fairly often. But then again, you could also hit a home run, and you could also hit this at $100,000 market cap, and then get like a 50x in yield that goes to 5 million. It's all random, but those are 2 sites that I personally use.